today's session, basically there are 6 parts to it. So I'm just going to do some introductory concepts, and then I'm going to run through some of the essential things that you really need to know to understand a factum and also to draft one. I will go through the basic format of a factum. I will go through so what do you put in it, the substance of a factum. And then I'm going to put up a factum with, well, lots of flaws. And I'm going to see if you guys can spot the problems with the so-called bad factum. And then I'm going to turn it to you guys, and you can ask me any questions and answers at the end. After this session is over, you should understand what a factum is, and explain to even, say, a 12-year-old. You should know where to find the requirements of a factum. You should know the basic parts of a factum, like I said, and you should be able to critique a factum if you need to. And what I feel is the most important is that it's not so much that I want to teach you how to write a factum, so much as I want you to have enough information so that you can decide for yourself. Do you want to do it on your own, or do you want to hire some legal professionals to help you? I don't want to say you should never do a factum by yourself. I think I've heard people tell me that, but I think it really depends on the complexity of the case. Sometimes if the facts, the law is simple enough, you should be able to do one. But if it's a little bit more complicated, you may want to consider hiring a lawyer on limited scope retainer.